Cerchio. The Cerchio is designed to maximize the connection between the human and the sea environment. This unique experience is created by making humans' five senses directly in touch with the sea environment. This yacht is the future of sea experiences, as this contains many facilities within it. This is not just a normal yacht, this is a super yacht concept. The Cerchio is the award-winning design of Young Designer of the Year 2016 competition. The Cerchio will give its owner a dynamic and lifestyle with comprehensive entertaining facilities. These facilities include a multifunctional beach club, a full-on spa, and an onboard cinema, and also a unique outdoor salon. The basic design of the Cerchio comes from the basic structure of knitwear fabric, in a place where the thread is interlocked with each other. In the same way the design is made, the space arrangement and the styling are influenced by this interlocking feature. The knitwear fabric has a zigzag feature because of its fabric structure. The zigzag feature is the main styling feature in the concept design of the Cerchio. The outdoor salon is designed that will match completely with the owner's outdoor lifestyle. The Cerchio aims to connect the people on board in it to the sea environment, so they have created the glass panels that will connect the owner and nature. The convertible outdoor panel comes with the same outdoor experience in the outdoor space. There's also an owner's cabin that is made exclusively for the owner, and it is located in the upper deck. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.